So this is an example from a simple basketball probability analysis. So suppose that a basketball player shots 2 free throws. So the percentage of making the first free throw is 80%. So I will denote it as making the first free throw is 80%, and the probability that first free throw is not made is 20%. Remember, it is complement notation, right? So first free throw is not made, okay? That's the notation I'm using here. And then, depending on the result of the first free throw, the second free throw chance is the probability will be different. If you make the first one, if you make the first free throw, the second one is 85%. So suppose that you made the first free throw, then the second one will be made 85%, right? And then if you miss the first one, then the probability of the second free throw will drop to 70%, right? Then find the probability of making both, right? That is what you're looking for. So making both free throw is you are making the first one and second one too. So those two events have to happen at the same time, connected by and. So we are doing intersection here. Okay. A simple way to calculate this is using this rule, S given F. So you may use this rule, but let me use like a tree method here again. So suppose that you are throwing 1,000 free throw chances, 2 shots. So 1,000 pairs of free throws, right? 1,000 times 1,000 fouls, I say, you get. Then 80% of them you are going to succeed in at the first chance. 80% you make the first one, and 20% of them you fail. So 800 times out of 1,000 fouls, you are going to make the first free throw, right? And the other is 200. And out of the 800 chances of second free throw, you make 85% and 15%. Okay, 85% of 800 equals 680, if I'm right. I may be wrong. And the other is 120. So, and the other side actually is not necessary. We already calculated this case. We are interested in this case. You have to make both free throws. You have to make the first one, and then you have to make the second one. So it only goes to this branch. So that means, in the end, 680 times out of 1,000, you are going to make both free throws.